Hola, and welcome to Friday. I did do some trading yesterday. I did not record it. I was in kind of a weird funk yesterday, so I really wasn't feeling it. I ended up, well, we can go look at it in just a moment. I ended up 6 points up. One of the trades that I took, and I'm doing quotation marks, I didn't place that trade. When I was feeling all grouchy, I pulled the entry way down and just left it there, and I guess I forgot to take it off of there. It was a gorgeous trade, and it looks like it was intended, but it was not. I got very lucky, and I don't use that word often when it comes to trading, but that one I got very lucky and got 5 points out of it. I came back later and was like, what? Where did that even happen? But what you gonna do? Complain about a gift from heaven? No. I'm just like, okay, I'll take it. So I decided to take 2 more entries a little later. And here, let's look at it really quickly. So my first entry was a loss, just a little bit early for the short trade. Took me out here, took another short, added on another contract, took the first exit for 2 points, and then the next one I got, I took 3 exits there. The first contract was 1.25 points and 2 for 2 ticks each, so another point. So 2.25 points with that exit right there, right here as it was pulling back into the area. And then this one was the accident right here. Wow, I mean, like, can you believe? I mean, it's set up perfect. We're leading higher here at the area. It pulled back, but I wasn't even sitting in front of my computer at that time. I was actually meditating. It's so crazy, but look how gorgeous it looks. It looks like I did it on purpose. I wish I could say I did, but I did not. And then these next ones were all me. My first entry, my second entry, I took the first exit and got 2 ticks off of it. And then the next one I took out here, which was -3 ticks for the first contract and -1 tick apiece for the other 2 contracts. And I just said, forget it. I don't even know if that was around noon. I walked away for the rest of the day. Man, and I was watching this setup this morning, but I don't feel bad today. My brain was definitely not in it to win it space yesterday. Even though I got 6 points, it's not. I would have only been up. I would have been up 1.75. And let's see, if I had not taken that other trade, we'll put 2.25. And I'd have lost 1 3/4. So I'd only been up 3 ticks for the day had I not gotten that gift handed to me. Let's look at our daily chart. Wow, look at that. The way it's just worked its way back to the upside. Let's put a line here at the high. Oh, that may not be the best. Nope. There we go. Just seeing this weakening here. And it's starting to slow just a bit, but it may pull all the way back into this space. So I'm going to just watch this closely. You start to roll. Yeah, I'm going to hit close. Starting to roll to the downside here. So let me give it just a deeper pullback. Really need to see this cross this top Bollinger Band, and I haven't seen it yet. I'm trying to force something here. Yeah. Okay. I am waiting for the long, but I need to see a little bit more of a strong signal that it's going up. so it couldn't exceed that bottom band. There we go. Son of a bitch, really? Well, there's 3 losses in the row. The first one was a quick loss. The first one was not the full loss. So I'm going to give myself 1 more. And then I'm done for the day. Right behind this little spot right here. Yeah, here we go, actually. I can get right in this one. I'm going 2 more right behind here. But we're just gonna move the risk up. Here we go. Alright, I got my wrist at a really good space for it to pull back to, so I may just take my exit here in a moment. Whew, it's a long hold. Yeah, I'm going to take my exit. Major divergence. Finally got a reversal bar, double bars here, possible reversal bar coming up at this point. And where I had my risk, I knew was a good place for it to pull back to and possibly continue up. But guys, I think that is definitely mission accomplished. Now, I did go a little bit past my initial goal, okay? Or my initial rules, which my initial rules are do not trade after 3 losing trades in a row. you'll be able to see that that first one was 3 tick loss, okay? And then the 2 next were for full losses. I didn't feel my head wasn't in the right space. I just felt my execution was off. So I needed to just breathe for a second and then get in. And then I took 3, which normally I don't do more than 2 in that area. Here is the pullback. Do I think it's going to go further? I kind of do. But this is showing us reasons for a pullback here. This is definitely a good space for it to continue up. But you want to be a little cautious coming right off of divergence. 11 points. And let me go back and mark yesterday's so we can look at that too. I got so freaking... I just can't get over how lucky I got yesterday. Like, for real. So yesterday was also 6 trades. It's like 2.5 losses. 3.5 wins. Yesterday was 6 points. So yesterday was 6. Today is 11. So I just marked those up so we can see them. So we know what's really going on. Ooh, now it looks like it's trying to do that push-up, huh? It looks weird. Those bars look really strange. I'm not willing to risk anything right now. I'm good. Today is going to be a glorious day. Yesterday I swam about 100 laps. Well, in a small pool. Okay. Don't get it wrong. It was not a large pool. It was a small pool. It's looking like rain again. But if I can go catch a few laps before it does rain, I think I'll be extremely excited. Otherwise, it's Friday. I'm ready to call it a day. I don't know about y'all. But it is not even 10 in the morning. 9:18. Boom. And we done. So I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. Man, this is how I like to do it. Just call it a day. You know, I'm not one of those people who is going to sit in front of the market all day. It's rare if I do. I think when I am doing things like that, there's other things going on up in the noggin. So I have a lot of homework that I can take care of for my students today and get that knocked out. I got to get an oil change, pick up my kiddos, and then kick off the weekend. So next week I am house sitting for my bestie who is making an emergency trip to Cabo. I know, right? And so I'm going to be there with my laptop working. I usually work from my mobile hotspot when I'm there. So we'll see. She has 4 dogs. They can get a little out of hand sometimes. But I'll probably trade from over there and enjoy the peace and quiet, and then come home during the day and hang with my kiddos before I gotta go back and watch her pups. So, yeah, hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. And guys, you know that I look forward to seeing you on the profitable side.